understand.
You're so ugly.
You said I'm so ugly. Okay, let's stop this. Okay, you can go home early. Okay, no, because if you go back to the lecture, the professor was giving the student an advice that maybe if you want to come up with a good article, a good report, you should check the business section of the newspaper and find the successful stories of business people. Because the student's trying to figure out how she can make someone she can interview for the article that she's about to make. And so the professor gave her a smart advice: go to the business section first, try to research for successful stories, and from there you can get important ideas, you can get good ideas on how you can structure the report that you will make.
Got it.
Alright. How about number 5? Of course, we played the recording.
Number 4.
Number
Wrong.
4? Okay, number 4. What does the professor want the students to learn from the assignment, or from the assignment? Okay, so let's again apply the process of elimination. Let's pick 2 answers that are wrong. Obviously wrong answers. Just 2.
Fourth.
First one, that starting a business is risky. Why? Why is that a wrong answer? Why are we going to put X on the first one?
Risky.
Right. For the word risky, because the purpose of the student, the reason why she's coming up with the report is not because she is planning to make her own business, right?
Yes.
That's not the point. So, starting a business is risky. So, it's not like, Mr. Collins, I came here because I want you to help me out in starting my own business. It's not like that. It's like, Mr. Collins, I came here because I'm hoping that maybe you can help me out in preparing for the article I'm supposed to come up. I need to have an interview with a successful business person. So, the first one is an impossible answer. First one. Okay, so we got that right. How about the next impossible answer?
No.
Which one?
No, second.
Second one, okay. Why writing articles on local businesses is important? Okay, why is this an impossible answer? X answer.
The assignment is... he suggests she has to interview local business person.
Right.
Not...
Local person. See, that's red. I'm using pencil.
You did! Oh. You did.
Okay, why writing articles on local business is important? Because they're not really talking about business section, local section, news section, sports section of the newspaper. That's not the topic. The professor is giving an advice that maybe you should check the business part of the newspaper so you can find successful stories. So that means they're not really talking about the parts of the newspaper. He was just plainly giving an advice to help out in choosing for the best business person to interview. Right? Okay. So that's the wrong answer. Okay, so now we're left with the third and the fourth one, right? We have how to develop a detailed business plan, and we have what personality traits are typical of business owners. So which one do you think is the better one? Better answer. The more correct answer. Third one. Okay, why do you think, why would you go for the third one? How to develop a detailed business plan. Is the student trying to come up with a business plan?
I thought fourth one is...
Why? Okay. You can explain why. Because actually the answer is number 4,
I know.
right? Yeah. But why did you find it impossible as the right answer?
Because I didn't write.
Okay. So you missed 2. Take down notes specifically for this question. question number 4. And you missed this part. What personality traits are typical of business owners? But if you look at my notes,
Four.
no. Okay, I have there insights and personalities. So from business section,
It's like business order.
yeah, successful story, and then the professor said you need to come to find successful stories from the business section so that you can share the stories and you can understand their background, the backgrounds of successful business people, and from their background you can get insights and you can understand their personalities, why they're maybe they're strict towards their employees because of their background. They really want their citizens to become great.
Okay.
What personality traits are typical? Okay, so this is the right answer, the 4th one.
Okay.
And how about the
No.
last item?
No need.
You got it right?
Yes.
Good.
13.
Okay, let's move to number 12.
13.
12. You got number 12 right?
Yes.
Okay. So what did you do? Why did you get the right answer for number 12?
Because I listened well.
But there is a technique. There's probably a technique that you use to come up with the right answer for number 12.
What?
Technique. Again, process of elimination. How did you come up with the right answer? Of course you listen, but sometimes even if you listen, you don't get the right answer. So here we're checking if you're applying the techniques.
Note taking is good.
Okay, good. And why do you think you have better note taking this time compared to the first one?
I don't know.
Because the topic is more interesting.
Interesting.
I find it interesting. And I think the topic is, I think it's less complicated. Yeah. It's easier compared to the first recording, right? It's all about what animal? Dog. It's so easy, so you gave me the answer. No, it's about dolphins and the sound that they make. It's like their way to communicate. Okay, so let me see your notes. Do you have the 3 ways of
Verbal.
no animal dolphin communication?
Yes. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, what's the first one?
Visual click.
Visual.
I don't know.
Whistle. Whistle register. Yeah. Okay, so visual. I got your accent. Visual register. Okay, whistle register. They say that is like the highest note that an animal can hit. Okay, whistle register. Okay, and what is whistle register again? What
Signature. Their signature.
Yes, high
High
signature.
frequency.
Right, and it is unique and
Identify each other.
exactly, very good. So they come together every time they hear each other, make that whistle register, right? Do you know someone who can make that register, that sound? Someone, a human being, not a dolphin. A singer, she's very famous. Because of whistle register. She's not Korean.
I know. You're like her.
Yes, not really.
No. Mariah.
Yes. Okay, that's number 1. Okay. Next, number 2. Clicks. So, sonar clicks.
Sonar sound. Navigator.
So what are your notes for sonar clicks? You have sonar sound, navigate. Oh, good. I have it. Navigate on. And it's
Three-dimensional
picture. Yes. Okay, good. So see, your note taking now I think is improving because you're able to give subordinating ideas for all the major details that the speaker gave. Okay, so That's good. And the last one is burst pauses. Burst pauses. We have the interjections. We have squawks, squeals. Did you write those?
What is meaning of squeals?
Squeals.
What is meaning of squeals?
Oh, it's an animal sounds like bark for dogs. Like bark. And meow for cats. Meow. And chirp for what? What animal? Birds. Okay, there. How about for bubble streams? Yeah, for the latter part of the recording, the professor was discussing, we're giving lots of information about bubble stream and how important it is for dolphins to communicate better. Right?
Mm.
Okay.
Yes.
Good. Did you get the last?
Wrong.
13. Okay, let's go to number 13 first.